PocKit.
They met in outer space, both lost and looking for a place to settle down with love and life all around. They're PocKit Robot. They're PocKit. They discovered a lot.
After a millennium of feeling meh about the gas, ice, dust and rock the rest of the universe has to offer, our cosmic travellers have discovered Earth, and they know they found something really special.
Sparkle bright, magical.
PocKit Robot is made to inspire kids to have a love for nature right from the start of their learning journey.
Can I go and explore?
OK, stay where I can see you.
With their human friend Kasey, we explore nature through fresh, intergalactic eyes. Kids today seem to know more about the wildlife of Africa than they do about what's on their doorstep. Poc and Kit show them that trees, dandelions, or even the soil beneath their feet are just as thrilling. First and foremost, it's a fun show that is a feast for the eyes. But we're also showing kids that our everyday, local habitats are living, connected geniuses with joyful adventures that capture the imaginations of early learners.
It's a big, hopeful circle.
Yes, it is.
But the shows are just the start. They lead directly to accessible family resources and real-world nature trails. It's about reaching kids where they are and inspiring them to step outside, to connect with and feel part of the incredible nature all around them.